Have you ever paused and looked up wondering why the sky is blue? The answer lies in a fascinating scientific phenomenon known as Rayleigh scattering. Sunlight, while appearing white to our eyes, is actually a mix of many colors. Think of a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each of these colors has a different wavelength, all of which are part of the visible spectrum. Now, consider the Earth's atmosphere. It's mostly made up of nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, around 21%. There are also tiny amounts of other gases, such as argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. These gas molecules are tiny, much smaller in size than the wavelengths of visible light. Here's where Rayleigh scattering comes into play. As sunlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it encounters these gas molecules and particles suspended in the air. The light gets scattered in all directions, but not all colors are scattered equally. Shorter wavelengths like blue and violet are scattered more effectively than longer wavelengths, such as red, orange, and yellow. This is where the blue color of the sky comes from. The shorter blue wavelengths of light scatter more efficiently due to their smaller size relative to the gas molecules in the atmosphere. This scattering sends blue light in all directions, painting the sky with a beautiful blue hue. So, when you look up at the sky during the day, you're seeing the scattered blue light coming from all directions. This is what gives the sky its characteristic blue color. The rest of the sunlight, with its longer wavelengths, continues to travel through the atmosphere and reaches our eyes when we look directly at the sun. This gives the sun a yellowish or reddish appearance, especially during sunrise or sunset when the sunlight travels through a thicker layer of the atmosphere. To wrap it all up, the blue color of the sky is due to Rayleigh scattering. This phenomenon causes shorter wavelengths of sunlight, blue and violet, to be scattered more effectively by the gas molecules in the Earth's atmosphere. This scattering creates the blue hue we see when we look up during the day, so the next time you marvel at the sky's blue expanse, you'll know it's all thanks to the science of Rayleigh scattering.